Interested in cool science experiments you can do right at home? Let's dive in. First up, the classic homemade volcano. You'll need baking soda and vinegar for this explosive experiment. Pour some vinegar into a small container, then add a spoonful of baking soda and watch the eruption. It's a simple yet exciting demonstration of a chemical reaction. Spell out the ingredients clearly with text overlays. Now, let's make some invisible ink. Grab a lemon and squeeze out the juice. Dip a paintbrush or cotton swab into the lemon juice and write your secret message on a piece of paper. Allow it to dry, then reveal it by holding the paper close to a heat source like a light bulb. Watch the ink appear magically. Moving on to magnetic slime. Gather some iron filings and mix them into a batch of homemade slime. Get a magnet and watch how it moves the slime around, a great way to explore magnetism and materials. Next, let's create a stunning water density layer. You'll need liquids with different densities: honey, dish soap, water with food coloring, and oil. Carefully layer them in a clear container. The liquids will stack beautifully, creating a colorful density column. Finally, the DIY lava lamp. Combine water, food coloring, and vegetable oil in a bottle. Drop in a fizzing tablet and marvel at the blobs of color moving up and down like a real lava lamp. Wrap things up with a quick recap of all the experiments, encouraging viewers to try them out. With vibrant visuals, clear instructions, and a lively soundtrack, you'll be amazed at how fun science can be. Thank you for watching amazing science experiments you can do at home.